Please like and subscribe Payroll Education, basic part of payroll. Of a salary structure. Basic salary, it's calculated on your gross salary 35 in between to 50%, not more than 50%. House rent allowance is calculated on basic salary at least 5%, and HRA is a part of income tax exemption under section 10 subsection 13A. Conveyance allowances 1600, it would be more than, because of 2018, just because of standard deviation, conveyance and medical allowances not part of the income tax. Medical reimbursement is a 1250 or more than, because of is not part of income tax now. Special allowance is a taxable, is a all your gross salary, whichever what is the balance is come under special allowance. Bonus, it will be calculated on your basic salary. We will learn about how the bonus is calculated. Okay. Employee provident fund, it means employee contribution 12% is your basic salary plus fixed allowances. There is a criteria in PF, we will learn about also. Professional tax, is the different state wise, so different state, different professional tax, different rule. Okay. ESIC is not more than 21,000. ESIC is not applicable. Below than 21,000 they are applicable for ESIC. CTC, it means cost to company, guys. What is the per person employee, what is the per person company paid for employee is a cost to company, guys. Cost to company, it means always we are talking with HR about the cost to company, not our gross salary. Remember, because of cost to companies help to the give you exact gross salary. Thank you. You know more about your basic salary and your components, each components individually. Please like and subscribe.